Hi guys, before we start today's lesson, let's make sure we all agree to be safe when handling scissors, be respectful when following directions, be responsible with all your materials, and most importantly, have fun. Hi guys, my name is Julia Lopez and I'm an assistant site coordinator for ARC. And today we will be doing a love box. You may give this to your mother for Mother's Day or a loved one. You can write little notes inside and also add little chocolates inside. Thank you. The materials needed will be 2 colored sheets of cardstock paper, 1 letter paper, glue, scissors, pencil, pen or marker, and chocolate treats. Let's get started. We will start by measuring and cutting 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. Within the ruler, the numbers spread further out are inches. Inches is the American system. On the other side of the ruler, the numbers closer together are centimeters. Centimeters is the metric system, and the metric system is more universal. We will next measure and cut 13.5 centimeters by 13.5 centimeters. Please have an adult supervising you when using scissors. Our 2 sheets of cardstock paper will look like this. Next, in our 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters cardstock paper, we will mark 6 centimeters on each corner. After, we will use our ruler to mark a line on the corners. We should end up with 9 boxes. Did you know in 2004 the architect Peter Ryan from Melbourne designed and built a livable house made up from cardboard boxes? Afterwards, we will then cut the inner line from each box in the corner. This will be a very nice gift for your mother or for a loved one. We will then fold each side with the help of the ruler. Quick fun fact, in France, there is a museum of cardboard and printing which features early cardboard boxes that were made to transport silkworm and eggs. After, we will fold our paper into the box to know what to glue. Next, we will glue the loose corner into where it folded to complete our box. Did you know close to 100 billion boxes are produced each year in the US, and 75% of them are recycled? Also, around over 95% of manufactured cardboard boxes are discarded after a single use. We will now grab our 13.5 centimeter by 13.5 centimeter and mark 2.5 centimeters on all corners. After, we will use our ruler to make a line where we marked on our cardstock paper. We should have 9 boxes with the middle boxes being longer. We will perform the same step as before and cut the inner line from each box in the corner. Next, we will use our ruler to help fold the sides. This helps to fold it into our box. Did you know that Sir Malcolm Thornhill produced the first commercial cardboard box in England in 1817? Then, we will glue each loose corner into where it folds to complete this box. This will be used as our top to close our box. Another quick fun fact, creased carton boxes were discovered by accident by Scottish inventor Robert Gare when someone chopped through thousands of paper bags in his factory. Now we will see if our top fits to close our box. You may now write a note to your mother or your loved one to add inside our box. You can personalize the note, or you can just write a simple thank you. Quick fun fact, did you know that Amazon ships an average of 608 million packages each year, which equates to an estimated 1,006,000 packages a day? That's a lot of cardboard boxes. You may fold the note 4 times so it may fit inside the box. Now we may decorate our box to personalize it for our loved one or our mother. You may decorate the box however you'd like to make it more personal for your mother or your loved one. Did you know recycling just 1 ton of cardboard will save 46 gallons of oil, 4,000 kilowatts of electricity, 6.6 million British thermal units of energy, 9 cubic yards of landfill space, 17 trees, and 7,000 gallons of water? We may now add our note and our chocolate treats or any other items that you guys have chosen inside our box. We will now grab the ribbon to make it more decorative. We will start by flipping our box upside down. We will then tie a knot and flip our box upright and bring our ribbon to the top and tie another knot. This part can be tied like if we are tying our shoe. Once done, you may cut the end still attached to the rest of the ribbon, and now we have a beautiful bow. Now we are all done making our box and adding our items. It is ready to be given. Thank you for watching.